Welcome to Covey Pines, a meticulously managed 401-acre hunting preserve and timber investment property located in Macon County near Fort Valley, Georgia. This gated and low-fence property represents a labor of love, personally groomed by one owner for over 30 years for both hunting and aesthetic beauty. It has mature hardwood bottoms, plantation-style pines, mixed-growth forest, and multiple established food plots teeming with quail, dove, turkey, and deer. Built in 2018, this turnkey home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a spacious kitchen and utility pantry, as well as a covered parking pavilion with gas grill. 3,600 square feet of covered storage and 1,000 square foot shop house, the maintenance equipment that come with the property. A compact hunter's cabin with a sleeping loft, cooktop, and oven is perfect for those seeking a completely hassle-free escape focused solely on hunting. The 960 square foot barn has a fenced pasture. A natural wet area holds water year-round and is a haven for wildlife, including ducks. This property is in the very heart of the famed Flint River basin, widely considered to be the best deer hunting in the southeast, and decades of extremely minimal hunting pressure have made this property even more a hunter's paradise. As an added bonus, the property is surrounded by thousands of acres of virtually undeveloped woodland under trophy deer management. Whether your goal is hunting, investing, or simply escaping into nature on miles of roads and ATV trails that have been cut throughout this unique property, Covey Pines has something for everyone. Contact John Bickley at Bickley & Associates at 478-214-0559.